Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look of the Mac Mini M4. Now this was released in 2024 and this happens to be the M4 Pro, but whether you buy the Mac Mini M4 or M4 Pro in any configuration, the unboxing experience is going to be the same. The box contents is going to be the same. It's just the specification inside. So just to let you know, this particular one is the M4 Pro. It's got 24 gigabytes of unified memory and 512 gigabyte solid state drive. But as I mentioned earlier, you might well buy a slightly different configuration than this one. We've got two pull tabs, top and bottom. Very nice packaging from Apple. The Apple unboxing experience is really superb. Underneath this piece of paper is just some details about the serial number, etc. So let's take a look inside the box. The Mac Mini is a very capable computer. Even in its very base configuration, you're going to get really great performance from this. And if you step up to the M4 Pro chip, then yes, you're going to get a little bit better performance again. And you can obviously add extra memory, extra storage. Now, this one comes with 1 gigabit Ethernet. You can even add 10 gigabit Ethernet if you order a built to order configuration. So here we go. This is the tiny Mac Mini, wrapped up with some extra protection around the sides and on the base. Let's just take a look further down inside the box to see what else we get. So we do get a power cable. It's a figure 8 connector on this end and a 3-pin UK plug on this end. This might differ, of course. If you're buying this in a different country, you will get a country specific power cable inside the box. It's a nice braided cable as well. And of note, there's no external power supply. The power supply is built in to the Mac Mini. And then further down inside the box here, look at this. We have got circular paperwork. Very, very cool. So we've got this little piece here which has got some paperwork inside. We'll have a look at that in a short while. And then we got this sort of getting started guide telling you about all of the various ports. And then inside here we have got some extra regulatory information. That's it inside the box. Let's have a look at the Mac Mini itself. So we've got a little bit of paperwork to take off here. So we can peel off around the sides. Don't you just love Apple's packaging to protect how beautiful the hardware is? And you think inside this small box is a very powerful computer. Very, very cool indeed. So that's the back piece removed, and then we've got the bottom piece that we can remove as well. So we've got the power button on the bottom. A lot of people weren't happy with the position of this, but you don't turn off and on via the power button very often. You're going to sleep the device. Got some ventilation, nice rubber foot around the bottom as well. Very nice looking piece of gear this. Apple logo in the shiny finish on top. Across the front we've got two USB-Cs. Also a 3.5mm audio jack and a little LED light. The sides are completely clear. And then round the back we've got the input for the power cable. We've got the gigabit Ethernet, we've got the HDMI, and then we've got 3 more ports here. Now if you purchase one of these with an M4 chip in it, then these will be 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. If you purchase this with an M4 Pro chip in it, as is this one, these are 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports. So a little bit of a difference. If you go for the top end with the M4 Pro chip, these become the very latest generation Thunderbolt 5. So that is it. That was our very quick unboxing and first look of the Mac Mini with the M4 chip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. And also, if you don't want to miss out on my future videos, please do hit that subscription button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in another one very, very soon.